Mistral AI, a French artificial intelligence company founded by former researchers from Meta, which is Facebook, and Google DeepMind. They have recently made headlines for their new large language model, Mistral Large, which is designed to compete with the other top-tier models like GPT-4. So in this video, I'm just going to run some end-use cases, tests, like a simple ones that people use day-to-day stuff. So we'll see how it performs and compare it with the GPT 3.5. So Mistral Large offers 3 different versions. Mistral Large 1, which is the 225 billion parameter model. Mistral Large 2, which is the medium-sized version, 175 billion parameter. And Mistral Large 3, which is 100 billion parameter model. So these models are optimized for various use cases, including language understanding, question answering, recommendation systems, content generation. Also, Microsoft recently announced a multi-year partnership with Mistral AI.
The most advanced large language model from Mistral AI, now available in Azure AI Studio and Azure Machine Learning with pay-as-you-go billing. It can be used in any language-based task thanks to a state-of-the-art reasoning and knowledge capability, and it is integrated in your favorite tools like PromptFlow and LangChain. With a context window of up to 32,000 tokens, Mistral Large can include crucial information in the prompt while keeping relevant information relevant. Its multilingual support includes dozens of languages and provides best-in-class performance in English, French, German, Spanish, and Italian. Besides being protected by Azure AI Content Safety, Mistral Large has a built-in additional safety layer with a safe mode option. Go to Azure AI Model Catalog and get started today.
Which will bring Mistral Large to the Azure cloud platform. So if you are the Azure customer, so you can access through Microsoft also. So they have a chat web version of Mistral Large available to the public. So I'm gonna run some tests. I'm gonna start with basic mathematics. I'm not gonna edit the video to fast forward because I want you to see the actual response times. So I like the Mistral AI, but the performance, the output, it's a bit slow compared to ChatGPT 3.5, let's say. So I'm going to compare it with the ChatGPT 3.5. I'm not going to compare with the 4, so just to see how it performs against 3.5 in real world scenarios. Not going to do the benchmarking, just quick and dirty, simple use cases. Here I'm asking Mistral Large model to generate C code that is the same functionality as Python HTTP server. The larger models, larger LLMs can sometimes be a bit slower than smaller models, like let's say GPT 3.5, because they require more computational resources to generate responses. So, but the trade-off is larger model generally offer more accurate and comprehensive answers. Mistral AI is still relatively new player in the large LLM space, so there's a good chance that they'll continue to optimize their models for faster response time in the future, I hope. Now it's going to answer all 3 questions at once. So this is my opinion. This is what I think. Please let me know if I'm wrong. So it's kind of like a larger car engine, so it take a bit longer to warm up. So in this case, it takes a bit longer to start generating responses. So they need to process more data and compute more complex mathematical operations, I guess. This is the major trade-off. So in the long run, though, the performance benefits of a larger model often outweigh the slight delay in response time.